How does a war that happened in Iran affect us here in Nigeria and West Africa country pertaining to our business? Why are we feeling the heat over here? The war is happening in Middle Belt, but we are affecting here. We are being affected here. The reason I want to give to in this video. Once again, this is Spam's Laundry Academy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Share it to those who may need it now. Now, there have been war is going on in Russia and Ukraine for over 2 years now plus. That war did not result to fuel increment or all of that because it didn't affect the main coast where fuel passed. Now, this one is happening between the Iran, USA, and Israel. And in Iran, there's a strait whereby all the vessels pass. 20% of the vessels that bring fuel down to Africa, to Europe, and to Russia, to China, they pass to that Strait of Hormuz. That Strait of Hormuz is where 20% to 25% of LPG, the gas you use for your cooking, and fuel for petroleum, for all of this is used. They pass through that water strait. Now, Iran is being attacked and they have put a commercial that nobody should pass that place. If you pass there, your vessel will burn down. They will scratch they will use drone and fire your vessel. So because fuel is one of the essential things we need in our country, Nigeria, and every other country, the price now has skyrocketed. Everybody is feeling the heat, both the European, both Africa, both here and there. We are feeling the heat of the fuel increment. So what to do now, since the fuel is being increased, now is for you to increase your price also. Don't be emotional about it because it will affect you. You know, the price of fuel determines the price of every other things in the country. If fuel increase, sooner or later, every other thing will follow suit. Increment will come one after the other. So to be on the safer side as a laundry personnel, now increase your price. Yes, increase your price. Don't price or watch the same thing you watched before. If you have steady NEPA light, it will be better. But now you don't have constant NEPA light. You don't have constant electricity in our environment. We depend solely on fuel. Even the National Assembly, even the ASOC we call our own, they depend now on solar, not even in the electricity now. So you do the same. Don't go and be working the same way you worked before. Because if you keep on working 200 naira by ironing, 300 naira by washing and this and that, you will not get anything at all. So now is the time for you to tell your customer that you have increased your price by 100 naira per clothes. If you wash one clothes before 200 naira, now you wash a clothes 300 naira. If you wash iron before 500 naira, you wash iron 600 naira. If you wash 800 naira, now you increase it by 100 naira. They all know that this is going on, so they will feel the heat, and all of us will feel the heat together. So nobody will say, you want to increase. But if I say you want to start, you want to owe customer, you want to be doing cheap article and be calling customer, whoa, let me tell you, it will fall against you. You will not get anything at all. You will be working for customer. So let's share this video, like it, and then if you want to know more about the laundry business, go to our channel at YouTube, Spam's Academy International, for more updates on how to grow your laundry business. You have to cover. See you next week.